Hello mga ka-RAMPAge! Welcome back to my channel. And this is Joie once again. The video you are about to see is one of the tourist attraction in the enchanting town of Balete. Please come along with me and together we will see the beauty of nature at Jester's Eco Park. But before we proceed, to those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga video uploads ko. Please don't forget as well to like and share the video and feel free to leave your comments below. So, let's proceed and be enchanted. Tara! Let's rampage! Dive to the ocean depth, hike through the countryside, and tour historical buildings when you explore the province of Aklan. Aklan is the country's oldest province, established early in the 13th century. A progressive province whose empowered and peace-loving people live amidst a safer environment, stable and growing economy anchored on agro-ecological tourism development that is globally competitive and sustainable under a responsive and accountable governance. This destination of scenic wonders is alive with outdoor adventures. Explore even more nature. Visit the enchanting town of Balete, particularly the Barangay of Calizo. Calizo is one of the 10 barangays comprising the municipality of Balete. As determined by a 2020 census, it has a population of 4,367, which represents 14.51% of the total population of Balete. Barangay Calizo is a rural and agricultural community and one of the rising industrial area which is located 2.4 kilometers away from the heart of the town. It takes pride on its rising tourism industry because of its several attractions visited by many. And this time, we will visit one of its pride, the Jester's Eco Park. Experience the beauty of nature in the enchanting town's first eco park and the province's second agri-tourism site accredited by the Department of Tourism. Jester's Eco Park is located at Sitio, Upper Sampaloc in the Barangay of Calizo. The development started in 2016 through the efforts of Mr. and Mrs. Nestor G. Justo from a simple coconut, banana, and rambutan farm turned into integrated farm with a variety of plants like dragon fruit, lettuce, grapes, strawberry, coffee, eggplant, papaya, blue ternate, pineapple, and many more. The 1.5 hectare resort showcases a breathtaking panoramic view of both lowlands and mountain ranges of some of Aklan's municipalities. It offers fun and recreation to nature enthusiasts and visitors alike. Sprawled on the vast, green, hilly terrain, the area has been developed to feature different varieties of fruit-bearing trees and ornamental plants. It is also equipped with functional rooms, swimming pool and dining area, and has also rooms to cater guests who prefer to stay overnight. Relax in the beautiful scenery and peaceful ambience. Bring your family and friends on an exciting and fun experience at Jester's Eco Park. Solitude out, socializing in. It cannot be denied that traveling is fun.